We are pleased to show you the 2017 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, HD radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.